Oracle.
Greetings, Princess.
Oracle, I have terrible news. My brother is dead.
The land must always have a Dragon Lord. You must take your brother's place. Please put your face in the Jade Mask. Now, your face alone will have the power to command me. Princess Aya, you are now the Dragon Lord. I will inform your people.
Dragon Lord, is there anything I can do to ease your suffering?
You were my brother's advisor. Would you be mine?
I would be very proud. Come. I know the perfect way to make you feel.
Greetings, Dragon Lord. Mick's boat lies outside the Scalestery.
Ashka must have had it taken then.
Oracle, ask Master Ling to prepare the boat to take the Morgans home. And then send word throughout the land that my brother is alive.
It will be done immediately. Does Sun wish to be reinstated as Dragon Lord?
Not now, I'm hungry.
Then let us eat.